Last night, or recently, I don't know when, but my dad said that my Argent Olive notebook for 2021 arrived, which is kind of crazy. Cannot comprehend that 2021 is approaching. I feel like 2020 just started. Bro, what has gone? This year has literally... What happened? But anyway. Alright, so this is it. I put you guys on a tripod because my thing doesn't autofocus, so it's kind of difficult for me to like unbox things. But there is a little dent. The box is a little broken because shipping people were a little aggressive with this probably, so yeah, it's fine though. I got the coral one this year. I wanted to switch it up because last year I had, let me get it here. I got a black one and it's really dirty. I took this with me everywhere while there was no quarantine. School's a dirty place, you know, so. It has 160 dockered pages, 160 GSM, ultra thick pages, blah, 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 blah. I decided to open it, you know? And I really wanted to keep this box because it looks super pretty, but I guess I can't anymore because it's broken. I can keep the like good part though, the bottom part. The box is so pretty though. Do you see how it shines? Oh, my battery's dying. It's okay, we can still film for a little bit, you know? But packaging is super pretty. We gotta move on to the actual opening now. Ugh. Oh, what's that? Oh, this is so pretty. Whoa. It's a little more orange than I expected. Wow, that is gorgeous. That's so pretty. See, even on camera, it looks more pink. It's actually a lot more orangish. And the flower, that's so pretty. I'm not usually a floral kind of girl, but I thought this orangey coral would match better because I'm not really like a pink flowery type of, I'm not into that. Ooh. Wow, that feels so nice. I'm lifting it up right now because my desk is super dirty and I don't want to have it turn out like this one again, but it's so pretty. And the strap is also the same color. We got a pen loop. I don't really use a pen loop. Ooh, and then we have a pocket. Oh, last year I got mine and it was foiled. It was like a silver foil side, so it's like really nice and shiny. But this year I got one that wasn't. Oh wait, this one has the, this is what I was wondering where it was. I got a little like it has a little chain thingy at the bottom of the bookmark thingies. Oh, I'm so bad with words. What is this called? Like a bookmark, a strap thing, but it's really pretty. It's Argent Olive, super cute. Yeah, really happy. have a star that we're gonna put on. The tag
I
is
think
still
we
here.
should go on that one.
Go what? On that chair?
We
That's
don't
super
need
unstable
that.
though.
Dude.
You just stick it on. Just stick it on. Push it in because this is tall. Bro, I don't think you can reach. No, it started. It's not gonna fit. It's not working. Okay, it's not. It's not exactly fitting. It really is. I told you.
No, I really want it to fit the star.
Okay, final reveal of the tree.
How do you even...
Careful, careful, careful.
Don't drop.
The candy, the candy.
Okay. So much candy.
Crisp. Okay, so last year we did the chimney. It fell off, so this year we're not even trying. And we broke it into pieces and we're all gonna eat it right now and decorate it. That's my sister's piece. She already started eating it. My brother is doing his and I'm showing mine. Just do a little sprinkling, you know what I mean? Who cares? It's gonna taste good.
Yeah, I need this.
The gummy with the gingerbread literally tastes like raisins with bread.
And also this is a cannibal, so.
He's eating his own kid. Eating his own kid! Anyways, this is our final result. It's pretty good.
It's
The
pretty
trees are
pretty.
the trees are still to be determined.
Yeah,
Because the stands are
Look! It's not even straight.
It's okay. This one's pretty. Oh. Hey guys, so it is Christmas Eve and I'm going to be wrapping the presents that my mom ordered for my siblings. She bought all of the gifts for us on Amazon and she got Amazon Prime just to get these to arrive on time. But my gifts for my siblings have not arrived yet, so they're from like smaller businesses, so that's why they haven't arrived yet. Shipping takes longer. So yeah, I'm going to wrap my mom's gifts for my siblings for her. I have here Christmas paper from last year. They're like little sloths in like winter scarves, super cute and stuff like that. And I also have some other things. Let me go grab it. Alright, so I have a box full of like random stuff that I keep, and it has like a random foil thing. Yeah, I keep these things because I just like keeping random stuff because you never know when you might need it. So that's what this is. I also got some kitchen scissors because my sister took my scissors and she lost them, so gotta use these. I said I was gonna wrap the gifts. I have been playing Among Us because my friend wanted to play hide and seek, but it was only for 20 minutes, so it's fine. I'm gonna go back to wrapping the gifts. Yay! The scissor won't glide, and I have like rippy parts because I'm trying to glide it and it's not gliding, and I'm like in pain right now because it just won't glide, and I just want it to glide. Oh my gosh! This is terrible already. Right, like that. Bruh, I'm wearing pajamas, so please ignore that if they pop into the shot. Some stickers on it. I'm dressing it from Mom. Also, you can't really see it that well. I'll get my white pen later, I think, to trace over it. Just some plain white accents. There we go, that's the first box. Yay, so much fun. A little tour of the room. It is a complete disaster, and I cleaned my desk a few days ago and I thought it was super nice and organized, but I had to paint and I got all my paint out and everything, and now it's super messy. Do have to trace over this one. I can barely see it, hold on. We're right there. we go. None of these are from me. All right. I already have some random contact lens solution. Random stuff under the tree. That's not a gift. Yay!